Hello editors, in this video, we learn about how to freeze frames in Premiere Pro. There are two methods, editor's fast and basic methods, advanced and professional method, fast and basic method. Some sample footage in the timeline, which frames you want to freeze. Select that position and then right-click on it. Go to the bottom, select the add frame hold, and then the frame was freezed after the timeline position. Always right-click on it, and the frame hold option was time-consuming. The alternative keyboard shortcut was the best. Quick keyboard shortcut. Go to the edit bottom on the keyboard. Shortcut, click it, and search on Add Frame Hold. I will select the keyboard shortcut F, which is comfortable for me. Go to the timeline. Which frame do you want to freeze? Select it and click the shortcut key F, then the frame will freeze. Advanced and professional method. Which frame do you want to freeze? Click on it and then select the Insert Frame Hold segment. And then the frame is freezed on the selected timeline. Position only. Balanced frames are normally moved. Keyboard shortcut. It also used your keyboard shortcut to edit faster. The difference between Add Frame Hold and Insert Frame Hold was that Add Frame Hold fully freezed after the timeline selection, but the Instant Frame Hold was that position only freezed and then normally played extra. Subscribe for more editing solutions and knowledge.